I would like to tell you about articles. So, what are articles? We all know and think that a, an, and the are called articles. But we have only two kinds of articles. There are two articles. What are those two? The indefinite article and the definite article. Only two articles. In indefinite article, we have either a or an, and definite article the. That's why a or an is called the indefinite article, the is called the definite article. Okay, so article or articles. You might be thinking that it's a very easy topic. Okay, only it's an article, and you might be taking it as a small particle. But listen to me, my dear friends. See, you might be taking it as a small particle, but I am telling you, it's a very critical. It's a very critical. Why? Because you think that it is used, either a or an is used if the word starts with vowels, we take an. With that opinion and with that thought, we all are follow. But listen to me, today we are going to learn something new in this video. So please pay attention to my words. So now there are two articles. They are the indefinite a or an and the definite article the. But see here, generally we teach to the children vowels. O, E, I, O, U are vowels, and the rest of the 21 are called consonants. Generally, when we teach the use of a or an for the classes, especially second, first to fourth, what the teachers do is just they tell the children, if any word begins with a vowel, just use an. Are you listening? If any word begins with or starts with vowel, just you write an before that noun, before that word. And if any word doesn't start with vowel, just you take or write a. That's what we teach to our children. Okay, it's good. I'm not saying that it's wrong. We can teach like that way, and we have to teach, especially for the smaller children, in that way. But listen to me. At the same time, we need to make them understand, telling that because they also are used depending upon the sound. Are you following? So this is very important. See, generally we teach our children there are 5 vowels and remaining 21 are consonants. But at the same time, you tell the children that there are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds in English. Because I have told you about this English. It's a funny language. Because you take any language, each language has only one alphabet. Only English has 2 alphabets. What are those 2 alphabets? One alphabet. In one alphabet we have from A to Z letters. In another alphabet we have the phonetic symbols. And we can call that alphabet as the phonetic alphabet. The phonetic alphabet. In that alphabet we have 44 sounds, and these 44 sounds are again divided into 2 types. The first 20 are called vowel sounds, and the rest of the 24 sounds are called consonant sounds. Listen to me. There is a difference between vowels and vowel sounds. Consonants and consonant sounds. So here I have written, see, there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of the 21 are called consonants. But when it comes to sounds, there are 20 vowel sounds, 24 consonant sounds. So you need to remember this thing. Okay, now see here, I have written a note here. O is used before consonant sound or sounds. Okay. And an is used before vowel sound or sounds. Before vowel sounds we use an. What are these vowel sounds and consonant sounds? Now we will try to learn. Because now most of our mother tongue is Telugu, or some of our mother tongue is Hindi or Kannada or whatever it may be. In each language we have vowels and consonants. Now let us think about, or let us take about Telugu language or Hindi. In Telugu we have vowels, and even in Hindi we have vowels and consonants. So now, simple, you forget about those sounds and those vowel sounds and consonant sounds, and you just take your native language. If it is Telugu, take Telugu. If it is Kannada, take Kannada. If it is Hindi, you take Hindi. So, just vowel sound you take and you pronounce that word. Okay, let me show you how it will be done. So, come to here, first example. A banana. So here the starting sound, the beginning sound of this word ba is it's a consonant sound. It's not a vowel sound. So that's why before consonant sounds we use o. Next one, mango, ma. Okay, so again it's a consonant sound, and that's why o mango. And again cat, ka, ke, ki, ko, all this is a consonant sound. So o, cat. Next one, come here, a 1 rupee coin. So pay attention here. Here only you see this sound, 1. Generally we think that the word has been started with vowel, and we think that we are supposed to write here yan. But that's wrong here. We need to see the sound. That's why I have written here one note. See, once look at this note. The choice between a or yan is determined by the first sound of the word, but not by the beginning of the letter. This note is very important. Are you following? Once again I repeat. The choice between o or an is determined by the first sound of the word, but not by the beginning of the letter. So for smaller classes we can tell that if the word starts with vowel, you just take an. But higher classes, if we teach for classes 5th to 10th or even from 6th, we can teach in this way. So this basic we need to give to the children. So that's when I come here. Here once pronounce wa. Why is can you tell me why is it a vowel sound or consonant sound? Surely wa, it's a consonant sound. It's not a vowel sound. So that's why here we have written a, and then even come here 5th one, university. So even when we pronounce the starting sound of this word you. Now let us just find out, do we have this u sound in vowels? Suppose take Telugu. We have in Telugu the vowels a, e, u, a, I, o, au, aha. Now did I pronounce anywhere u sound? I have pronounced all the vowel sounds. I didn't pronounce u in the vowel sounds. So by this we can understand that U is not a vowel sound, it's a consonant sound. We know ya, 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 okay, E, U, okay, when we write that we will get that one. So U is a consonant, that's why again here we have written a university. So this we need to understand. Once again, O is used before consonant sounds and An is used before vowel sounds. Now let us see these examples. Now sixth one, apple. An apple, because apple, yeah, okay, this is a yeah, okay. So that's why it is here we have written an apple, and then again here orange, so again vowel sound yan, and then here e, innocent, innocent, starting sound is e, so that's why yan, yan innocent. Next one, come here, here an honest man. Here in this word H is silent, so we should not pronounce it as honest. This is honest. In vowel sound the second R, so honest, so that's why here we have written yan. Then 10th one again here, yan IAS. Why yan? Because once you pronounce first I is a vowel sound, so that's why yan. Are you following? So in this way we need to use or take or just write O or yan. Once again I repeat, so A or yan is used not depending upon the letter, whether it is starting with vowel or consonant. No, it is used, A or yan is used based upon its sound, based upon its sound. If it is a vowel sound, yan, if it is a consonant sound, oh, so like that we have to use. So and then again, if you want to understand this, again you should know about phonetic alphabet and you should know about those symbols. So very soon I am going to give again even that phonetic alphabet to you, and you can learn more better. So I think you have understood the use of A or yan and how it is used. So now we will see a few more examples. So use either A or yan. So in first and vowel sound and balloon, ba is a consonant sound, that's why A. Here cellular animal, so U again it's a consonant sound, that's why A. And RTC driver, only the beginning sound R, so yan. So again here H is silent here, R, we are getting vowel sound, that's why yan, and next one, exciting, yeah, exciting, yeah, exciting, it's a vowel sound, that's why yan. Again wa is a consonant sound, that's why next one E, important, E vowel sound, yeah, ka consonant sound, A. Again here humble person, ha is a consonant sound, that's why O. And then 11th one, useful metal, U is a consonant sound, that's why O. In 12th umbrella, so yeah, see here both 11th and 12th one, once you look at, both have started in the beginning with U, but in 11th one U, the letter U is giving U sound, which is a consonant, And in 12th, U is giving A sound. Umbrella, A umbrella. That's why yan. And in 13th, U, unique consonant. That's why next one, 14th, excellent story. Excellent, A sound. So that's why yan. Next one, U, uniform, and then again here consonant sound. That's why A. Next one, MP, A, MP, in MP, O. A is a consonant. That's why yan. Tree, consonant sound A. Next one, European man, U, consonant sound. That's why A. Next one, American girl, A sound. So that's why African boy or student, African. Only we have to say the beginning of the sound. So here, as it is vowel sound, we have written there yan. Okay, so like this we have to use either A or yan. Once again I tell you, remember, based upon the sound we will use A or yan. A is used before consonant sound and yan is used before vowel sound. So if you want to know those vowel sounds and consonant sounds, and think about your native language vowel sounds, those are all vowel sounds, and ka to bandira, all those are consonant sounds. So like that you have to practice, and if you know that phonetic alphabet, then it will be easy for you to understand and even to use correct or yan. Okay, thank you for watching this video. So keep on watching my videos, and for more updates and for my more videos, just subscribe it and click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.